Here are two very similar social media posts encouraging our target audiences to join our campaign. There are several hashtags used to connect with various people in our audiences and reflect our purpose and our goals, no matter where we are in the world. The American Post uses purple writing to remain consistent in our campaign and represent that spirituality and calming effect. The American image will be emotionally engaging as we show a diverse group wearing masks and fighting for justice in a peaceful manner at a protest. We've also added 3 differently colored fists to the image to reiterate that we are united among our diversity. We stand together. This will likely encourage our viewers to join us, as what they see is welcoming, calming, reassuring, culturally familiar, and evoking an emotional response. The Italian Post is using the red text to remain consistent in our campaign there and encourage light and trustworthiness. The image used here displays a diverse crowd working together in a peaceful protest, once again reiterating our campaign, united among our diversity. You will notice a very passionate and almost hurt-looking gentleman right up front with his fist in the air, which strikes the audience with such emotion, such conviction, and such power. Next to that man, you see a similar fist placed in the photo that represents the fight for justice and equality, but it is colored like the American flag, representing peace in Italy. This post will encourage the audiences to join due to the calming, trusting, passionate, culturally familiar, and emotionally appealing elements in this post.